Be blessed by the divine. My friend, this video is about how sleep affects Kundalini Shakti. Now you may be wondering, how is this got any relation at all? Why am I making a video about sleep and Kundalini Shakti? Now Kundalini Shakti, as you know, is your life force. It is made up of ether energy particles, what the scientists call it as subatomic energy particles. And these ether energy particles comprise of together, conglomerate themselves, group together to form our life force particles. The life force energy is the Kundalini Shakti. Now this energy is the one that powers our brain. This is the one that powers our cells. In fact, the biomagnetic energy that come out of this life force energy is the one that powers our entire body from head to toe. All the cells are powered by this biomagnetic energy. The biomagnetic energy is essentially the one that allows the cells to digest the food that it needs, stores the energy, nutrition in itself, and absorb them as well, and eliminate waste from it. As long as the body has sufficient quality, sufficient quantity of biomagnetic energy, the cells continue to do its function of digestion, nutrition, elimination. When there is a disturbance in the chemical field, because of which there is a disturbance in the biomagnetic field, in the life force field, the energy field of the body, that can lead to disturbances in the cells, that can lead to pain because of stagnation or excess of accumulation of life force energy to correct that portion of the body. After all, the body is a self-healing, auto-healing, auto-diagnostic system. Mother Nature given beautiful gift to us. Now when there is a rush of this electromagnetic energy in one part of the body, there is a short circuit and there is depletion of biomagnetic energy from that part of the body. Because of short circuit, it leads to pain. Continued prolonged dissipation of biomagnetic energy due to stagnation in one part of the body leads to disease. Continued exhaustion of life force energy, biomagnetic energy, that part of the body, then that organ dies and eventually the body dies. Now this is a logical explanation of how our rishis and our siddhas, particularly those like our Guru Sri Vedatri Maharishi, has simplified and explained to us. Now therefore, sleep plays a significant role because during sleep, 7 to 8 hours of sleep in a 24-hour cycle, it has been observed scientifically and proven that the body repairs itself. This is a time when we need to rest our body. When our body is at rest, the mind has to be at rest. There are two kinds of levels of rest that the brain can undergo. Just when we are about to go to sleep, and just before we wake up, we are in what we call a sleep with dream state. Slightly dreamy state, not fully aware, not fully conscious, but not fully asleep either. We are somewhat asleep, but we are dreamful. And that state is what we call an alpha level of frequency. But around 11 in the night to say 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning, we go into what we call the deep sleep state, or otherwise called the theta level of frequency, between 4 and 7 cycles per second as measured by a machine like an electroencephalogram. Now it is the deep sleep in which the body repairs itself. Therefore, every person must learn to have deep sleep. I have made another video. In fact, there's a beautiful audio of this in my website, krishnmurali.com. I will provide the link for that in this description of this video. You can go to that website and download the deep sleep relaxation meditation in Savasana that I have recorded and kept it in my website. You can download it, you can play it, practice that. Because within a few minutes, you can learn your brain to go into deep sleep. People who have sleep disorders, I understand a city like Bangalore, for instance, in which I live, 10% of the people, that's 10% of the population of about a crore of people we are here, crore plus in fact, that means about 10 lakh people, a million people in a city like Bangalore are suffering from sleep related disorders. That's really shocking, most of the reason I believe is related to a mobile phone or an iPad and TV and so on and so forth, which gives out this blue color light, which makes the brain think it is daylight, and therefore people are not able to go to sleep very easily. Deep sleep meditation, deep sleep relaxation allows you to train your brain to go into deep sleep in a very, very short manner. When you do that, the body repairs itself, the chemical field remains harmonious for yourself, and you can maintain great amount of life force in good quality and therefore attract good health and long life. If you live long, if you live healthy, wealth will automatically follow. Success will be automatically yours in your hands. Be blessed by the divine.